What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help Guys. So today I'm going to show you how you can add new fonts in Figma. So very quickly, there are two things that you first need to do. So go to Figma, downloads, then from here, you'll see three download options. You'll see mobile app, font installers, and desktop app. You want to download desktop app either if you're using Windows or Mac, and you want to download font installers, Mac or Windows. Since I've already installed this, I'm going to show you what it looks like afterwards. So this is what the Figma setup would look like once you clicked on download, and this is the install Figma agent for the font. Now, how this works is very simple. Go to Figma. Once downloaded, go to Figma. And now, as you can see here, the fonts that we have here are still the old fonts that comes with the application. Enter is the main font that they use. So let's type in Tech Help Guy. So here you can see that the font that we are using is still the old font, right? Well, once you download the font installers, you can now search the web for free font downloads. I suggest using the font. This is very helpful. They have a lot of options available for you to use. So we can search here. Let's see if they have Disney font. They do. So this is one of the fonts that you don't usually see online or isn't available online. So we'll use this one. Well, once you install the font, make sure to close Figma first and then reopen the application. Once you have reopened it, and actually before opening it, you want to check on the font that you downloaded because it's going to appear like this. So you want to extract it first. So right click on this, click extract all, and then extract. If you want to have if you want to keep things organized, you can use or you can create a folder and then download the fonts there and extract it there as well. So this is the extracted version of the file that we just clicked on. So just click on this, left click, and this is the font now. What we want to click on is install. Once that's done, now you can open up Figma. From here, we can now change this font from Enter. Let's search the font to Walter right there. It's automatically added to our font options. And that is how you can add fonts on Figma. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please, of course, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you all for watching and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.